Welcome to my channel. I am Professor Kodanramaya from Proactive Overseas Consultants. In my channel, Abroad Education for Latest Technologies, I produce videos on abroad education for latest technologies, science and medicine. In this present video, I would like to present on MBBS in Ukraine for Indian students. Actually, Ukraine was a part of USSR, United Soviet Republic. And here in Ukraine, there are two languages spoken. One is Russian language, another is English. Here the fee structure is very low and per annum the fee is between 3 lakhs and 4,50,000. MBBS in Ukraine is mainly famous for its systematic educational pedagogy. Therefore, it is the popular choice among the students. MBBS in Ukraine is very simple to follow for the students. Therefore, near about 6,000 of students come from all countries like Australia, Belarus and Germany, etc. here to study. Fees MBBS in Ukraine are quite affordable as it offers MBBS education at 4,000 to 5,500 US dollars per year. The lower living expenses and that is around $100 makes it easier for the candidate to study here. The MBBS course curriculum in Ukraine is laid out only for 6 full years for the candidates. Additional 1 year of internship in the affiliated hospitals is also included in this course. So 1 year internship, that is house surgency, can be done either in Ukraine or in India. All the MBBS universities in Ukraine are approved. The leading medical bodies like WHO, UNESCO, MCI, FAIMER, etc. Study MBBS Ukraine because teacher-student ratio is maintained 1:15. So for every teacher, 15 students are there in the class for providing the individual care to the students. So there is a 100% chance for the candidates to get excellent medical training along with global exposure facility. This country got 4th position among the top 10 medical universities in Europe. The core relationship with India has made it simple for the Indian students to study in Ukraine. And MBBS in Ukraine is gaining popularity and becoming one of the most preferred destinations for all the aspiring students who wish to pursue their career in medicine and want to study MBBS from abroad. There are various benefits of studying MBBS from Ukraine. Some of them are as follows. Most of the medical universities in Ukraine are globally recognized by WHO, UNESCO, MCI and medical councils of various countries. For all the international students, it is an added advantage as the medium of teaching is being adopted in medical universities in Ukraine is in English medium. The cost of living and accommodation is very low when compared to other countries like UK, USA and other European countries. The traveling cost for students in Ukraine is very economical as they get special discounts for traveling within the country. The medical universities in Ukraine offer high quality education and excellent facilities to all the students. Students studying MBBS in the medical universities of Ukraine are given great exposure and opportunities to participate in the international exchange programs, conferences and other projects offered by numerous international universities which open new avenues for the students to achieve their future goals in the field of medicine. The MBBS Ukraine is recognized by Medical Council of India, which gives an opportunity to Indian students who complete their MBBS degree from Ukraine to participate in India very easily. Medical universities in Ukraine offer world-class infrastructure and high-quality education, which makes students successful students. The Ukraine government is always there with the overseas students to assist the students to solve the financial issues and research-related matters. The overall expenses for MBBS in Ukraine are very low, which makes it an ideal destination for students to choose MBBS from Ukraine. There are no donations asked by the students to get admission in the medical universities in Ukraine. Medical universities in Ukraine organize numerous sports activities and extracurricular activities that motivate students to stay fit, active and healthy. The students are motivated to participate in various international conferences, seminars and other activities which boost their confidence. The Ministry of Education and Science of Ukraine maintain all the medical universities in Ukraine. The medical universities offer best class medical education for the medical students who come to study MBBS from all over the world in terms of cost, infrastructure and quality. And what are the universities? Medical universities in Ukraine: Bukovian State Medical University, Lviv National Medical University, Horbachevsky Ternopil State Medical University, Ivano-Frankivsk National Medical University, Vinnytsia National Medical University, Black Sea National University, Sumy State University, Ukraine Medical Stomatological Academy. Like this, there are number of universities in Ukraine to study medicine. The duration of Ukraine course is 5 years, including 5 year study and 1 year house agency or internship. During the MBBS program, students study the duration of 5 years in some of the best and prestigious medical universities in Ukraine. 5 years is dedicated to the classroom education of the students with the quality education provided by expert faculties. For Indian students, they can do 1 year internship after MBBS in Ukraine or in India. MCI, Medical Council of India screening test is mandatory for Indian students who wish to practice in India after completing MBBS in Ukraine. Eligibility criteria: 50% marks required in physics, chemistry and biology in class 12 or equivalent from ICSE or CBSE or any other equivalent board. Minimum age required for a student to get admitted should be 17 years on or before 31st December of the year of admission. According to the recent notification issued by Medical Council of India in agreement with the decision of Delhi High Court, students who wish to pursue MBBS in Ukraine or from any foreign medical university has not registered or qualify or appear in it is bound to show an eligibility certificate which must be issued by Medical Council of India at the time of admission to foreign medical universities. Fee structure differs from university to university. Candidates must provide all the documents and certificates required for the admission procedure, including mark sheets, school transfer certificates and other documents required. Medium of teaching for MBBS in Ukraine, I have already explained you, that is English. For studying medicine in Ukraine, medical aspirants from not only India but students come from Nepal, Pakistan, Sri Lanka and Bangladesh also. The candidates when applying for medical education in Ukraine have a confusion that what would be the medium of teaching followed in respective university. I have already told you that Ukraine was ruled by Russia. It was a part of USSR. USSR full form United Soviet Socialistic Republic. It was before 1989. Later, the USSR was divided into 17 countries like Uzbekistan, Tajikistan, Russia, Belarusia, Russia, Ukraine, like that. Kyrgyzstan, Uzbekistan, like that. Students are not required to learn Russian or any other language to study MBBS from Ukraine. This is because the medical universities in Ukraine follow all the instructions in English language. All the professors are proficient in English and they assist all the overseas students if they are facing with any issues in following the syllabus. Students must be keen to view the medium of teaching while applying for any medical university. Every year, Medical Council of India updates the list of the universities offering medical education in English medium in consulting with the Indian Embassy and Ministry of Education in Ukraine. Medical universities are going through a lot of changes in course pattern, duration of the course, teaching methods adopted as well as the medium of teaching. Students must inquire about the teaching medium very carefully before applying for medical education in Ukraine. Documents required to join a medical university in Ukraine: a valid passport, 10th class pass certificate and mark sheet, 12th class pass certificate and mark sheet, birth certificate in English or has to be translated in English and it should be notarized by a notary, passport size photographs, official admission letter issued by the particular medical university, medical test reports in India before taking off, authorization of all the documents by Ministry of External Affairs New Delhi, legalization of the documents sanctioned by the Ukraine, and in embassy visa sanctioned by the Ukraine government, bank receipt of first year fee payment which is required by some universities and not all, admission procedure for MBBS in Ukraine. After the candidate has fully researched on the medical university he or she is applying in MBBS course in Ukraine, he or she can apply in the selected medical university in Ukraine. The candidate must analyze all the merits and demerits of the medical university in which he or she applied in. Candidate is then required to submit all of his or her documents to the authorities of medical university. Then the Ukraine Medical University will accept the application of the student. The medical university will then issue the confirmation letter of the admission of the student. After receiving the confirmation letter from the university, he or she is required to initiate the payment of the fee. The next step after the fee payment is the applying for the student visa. Once the candidate gets the student visa, then the candidate is free to come in Ukraine for studying medicine. In addition to this procedure, each university may require certain additional documents. Medical universities in Ukraine are recommended by MBBS experts. So, if you like this video, you can subscribe, you can like, and you can consult our consultancy, Proactive Overseas Consultants, Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh, India. Thank you for watching. Wish you all the best. See you in the next video.